asking for f. F means our equation. So f is equals to x raised to the power of 3 minus 20. Okay, semi-comma, enter. It is asking me what is x. Actually, x is the variable for us also. We are going to find what is the value of x where f of x is 0. So this is our question. How would I tell that, okay, x is this? This is my question. So whenever you are writing any variable in your equation, in your mathematical equation that you are actually calculating it, how will you give the value like at the rate bracket x, and now write your equation with a space. Now write your equation here in f. Press enter. Now what it has done, see, it has created a handle of your function that, okay, it is saying x is unknown to me also. I am going to find this, but function, it has become a function handle. F is a function handle where, as you can see in the workspace area also, it has become a function. It is not actually the equation. This is equation for us, but for Matlab, it has become a function handle. Wherever I'm going to call f, it will call this equation through this handle. This is known as function handling also. Okay, this is the concept of function handling also. So, okay, we have given x, we have defined the f. Now we are going to define our function, that is f. A, what is a? The lower limit. Let's say 2 and 5 is my upper limit, and press enter. Now, okay, what is the root of my equation? This is 2.7144 is the root of my equation. By solving this with the algorithm, this algorithm, let us find out that this is the root of the equation. Now, this is your work to put 2.7144 in your function. Where is your function? This is your equation. Okay, and find out f of x is really 0 at this point or not. Okay, now, this is your work. I hope you understand the functions. You get some idea of working with the script, live script window also, and this algorithm would help you to find out the programming basics and the function handling also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. So this is the time to do some hands-on practice with some questions on function handles. So start with the first question, that is define the function of two variables. Okay, we have two variables mu and x already given, two input arguments. F is the function name given over here, and this is my equation on which I'm going to create my function and evaluate over the range of x with the different values of mu. Okay, so let me open my script window, live script or normal script, it's up to you, both work same. So this is the first question, function y is equals to, let me take y as in my output argument and f is my function name. The name is mu and x. Okay, which is defined in mu comma x, and this is my equation. So how you can just take this equation, you can just copy this equation from here and you can paste it over your Matlab also. So I have just pasted my equation and y is equal to this equation. Okay, and semicolon. My function is simple. Ready? But I need to save my function. Save as f. Name given f in the question. So f is my function file name and my function name. So how I'm going to call this function? Just copy this. copy and paste it. Change the values of mu or x. Let's say mu is 1 and the value of x is 2.7. Calculate y for me. So okay, is this. And you can change the values of mu is 2 when we are changing mu to 5, this value, or if you are changing x to 2.8. Likewise, you can change the input arguments infinite number of times and observe what is happening with your function. It will always call your body of the function, calculate the value, and will give you the answer on the command window. Okay, so this was the first question, very simple. Second is define function g a x. Okay, g is the name of my function. A is what? A is my input argument, x is also my input argument, where A is an array. Okay, A is my array. So the values of array are like A4, A3, A2, and A1. All right, and x cube, x squared, x. All right, so let us just make a function g with A comma x. I'm taking new file because I cannot write another function within the previous function which is present in it. So whenever you are working with multiple functions, create multiple files. It is necessary in Matlab. So GAX is my G is my function name. Let's say y1 is my output argument, and I'm defining this as function. Okay. So end automatically will come up here, and what is the body of my function? Go back to the question. Okay. Let me just copy this as a comment so that I don't need to come back again and again on this control. I am making a comment and pasting the equation here. With the help of this equation, I'm going to make my y1 is equals to A4. A4 means if A is an array, what will be A4? A4 will be its index value. In previous lectures, we have discussed what are index values, what are subscript values in array. So here we are going to take A4. This is how you can write your A4 means A fourth index value multiplied by x cube. Okay, it's x cube. The equation x cube, x square, x0. So just put plus and A3 index value multiplied by x square plus A2 multiplied by x plus E1. Okay, so this is how we can make our equation in a Matlab syntax. This is my equation in the question, and this is my equation in Matlab. Okay, proper syntax is very important whenever you're writing your equations. Please make sure that where to use asterisk, where to use dot raised to the power or dot asterisk. We have discussed all these things when we were discussing arithmetic operators in Matlab in very initial lecture of Matlab. So this is my function. Let me just save it. Save as. It will give you the name of G because G is the name of my function over there. Save it. And how you're going to take it? Just put here. It will ask you what is the value of A or X. So before writing this, I will define A is equals to 2, 5, 7, 9 because we have 4 values here till A4. So we have created a row vector of 4 elements. Okay. X is my, let's say 4. X is equals to 4. Okay. Now I'm going to call my function here, that is y1 is equals to g, a and x. Now a and x both are defined. Yes, it's 710. How it works? A4 means 2 here, 2, A4, sorry, A4 is 9. A4 is 9. 9 multiplied by x cube means make the cube of 4 and then multiply it with 9. First one. Then again, make the square of 4. In second case, make the square of 4 and multiply it by 7. So likewise, after calculating all these things, the answer is 710. Hope you're clear with the indexing concept also. And if you're not clear, you can go back and see the arithmetic operator video where we discussed it in matrix operations. So this is how you can get your equation done. So okay, second equation is also done here. Now use the function handle to create the function. This is your function. Now this is your function body. Now they are asking to put the value of x 0, then 1, then 2, and lastly pi by 2. Okay. So let us just do this thing. I am just copying my equation, the body of equation, because I'm going to use it in my new window here. Okay. Let me make this a comment because I'm going to use this equation in function. Function, the keyword. Now again, let's say z is equals to 1 underscore 1. This is my function name. And next thing is fun1 and how many input arguments? Only one. Okay. X. Only x is variable here. So this is the only input argument. Now you're going to paste it here, but our output argument is z. So I'm going to replace this. And let me check. This is x square or what? It is x square. So let me make it x square dot raised to the power of 2 and sine of x plus 1 by x. Everything else is, I think, in syntax of Matlab. So I'm just, what I'm doing, I'm going to save this with fun underscore 1. This is the name of file and the function same. Now I'm going to check this here. Initially, they were asking for x is equals to 0. What will be the value of function when x is 0? It's infinite. Why it's infinite? Is it satisfying? Yes, because we have 1 by x here and 1 upon 0 is infinite, and if you're adding or subtracting or multiplying anything with the infinite, it will be infinite. So INF is your infinite. Correct? Next is use function handles to create the function. Use function handles to create the function of this equation. Okay, where A is your initial investment, R is your rate of interest, N is the number of years. Compute the growth of rupees 10,000 over the period of 8 years earning the interest of 9%. Simple. So what we're going to do is we will just copy this statement in our new file. Just for reference, I'm pasting it